This YouTube channel has uploaded only 12 videos, but it has already gained over 5 million total views. What's even more surprising is that the channel is already monetized and is estimated to be making more than $14,000 every month. Their videos get tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of views. The channel posts animal and wildlife videos. The storytelling is simple, but it builds suspense in a way that makes people want to keep watching to see what happens next. Before I show you the process, here's a wildlife video I created using the exact method you're about to learn.
This peak is my fortress! Your hunt ends here! Your hunt ends here! What is domain? You are not welcome!
In this video, I'll show you exactly how these videos are made. Don't worry. The process is much easier than it looks. I'll guide you through everything step by step and show you how to create one of these videos in less than 5 minutes. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any part of the process. Alright, let's begin. Generating the story, ideas. To create videos like these, I provided a prompt that does most of the work for you. It automatically generates the story scene by scene, including the image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, and sound effects. These are the main elements you need to create a professional wildlife video. Normally, you would copy a prompt into ChatGPT or another AI tool, generate the content, and then use separate tools to create the images, videos, voiceovers, and sound effects. While that method works, it can be time-consuming because you have to switch between multiple platforms. In this tutorial, we'll use Topview Canvas inside Topview AI instead. Topview Canvas is an AI video creation tool that allows you to plan, edit, and generate videos from a storyboard in one place. I've included the link in the video description. Once you're on the home page, click Canvas and then select Start Creating to open the workspace. After entering the workspace, choose the type of video you want to create or simply type your idea into the AI agent. The prompt box works like a creative assistant that helps you generate ideas, improve scenes, organize assets, and guide you through the video creation process. Now, copy the provided prompt and paste it into the prompt box, then press Enter. In just a few seconds, the AI will analyze the prompt and generate multiple story ideas. Each story will be unique, but all of them focus on animals and wildlife, giving you several options to choose from. Generating the images. Once the AI generates the story ideas, go through them and choose the one you want to work with. In my case, I'll select Scene 7, Golden Eagle Defense. After selecting your preferred story, you can move directly to video generation, but there is an additional step that can help you get better results. Before generating the video, click Preview Storyboard. This allows you to review the scene and make any changes before moving forward. For more control over the output, click Advanced Settings. Here, you can choose the resolution, aspect ratio, number of key moments, scenes, and the AI model you want to use. Topview Canvas uses GPT-Image2 to quickly generate storyboard frames, allowing you to see how each scene will look before creating the final video. Once you've selected your settings, click Generate. The AI will begin creating a complete storyboard with the image for your story. This process only takes a short time and gives you a visual preview of the entire project. The generated storyboard helps you check the visual style, scene composition, and overall flow of the story before moving on to video generation. This makes it easier to spot anything you want to change and ensures you're happy with the final direction of your video. Generating the video. Once you're happy with the storyboard, it's time to turn your image into video. Simply click on the generated storyboard image and select Generate Video. This will open the video generation settings. Topview Canvas uses the Cdance 2.0 model to create high-quality AI videos. Before generating, choose your preferred resolution and video duration. For YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, use a 9:16 aspect ratio. For this tutorial, I'll use 16:9. After setting everything up, click Generate. In just a few moments, the AI will transform your storyboard image into a video clip. The process is fully automated, making it easy to create professional-looking video without any editing experience. Once it's ready, preview the result and take a look at the quality, realistic motion, and built-in sound effects. This is one of the biggest advantages of Topview Canvas. Everything is generated in one place with just a few clicks. If you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and download the video clip. Then repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until all the clips for your wildlife story have been generated. Putting the clips together into one video. With all your video clips ready, you could download them one by one and combine them using another editing tool. However, Topview Canvas makes the process much easier by letting you do everything in one place. Inside the canvas, click on a video clip and select Add to Timeline. This will place the clip directly into your project timeline. Repeat the same process for the rest of your clips until all your scenes have been added. You can then rearrange the clips, adjust the sequence, and make final changes to ensure your story flows smoothly from one scene to the next. Once you're happy with the arrangement, preview the video and make any last changes before clicking export. And that's it. In just a short amount of time, you've gone from a simple idea to a complete wildlife video. The best part is that you didn't have to jump between multiple tools for story generation, image creation, video generation, sound effects, and editing. Topview Canvas handled the entire workflow in one place, making the process faster and much easier for beginners. As you've seen from the channel we looked at earlier, wildlife storytelling is a niche with huge potential. People love watching animal rescue stories, survival moments, and emotional wildlife content. That's why these videos often generate thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of views. For creators looking to start a YouTube channel, this is a niche worth paying attention to. What makes Topview Canvas stand out is that it takes you from idea to storyboard, storyboard to video, and video to final export without leaving the platform. Everything happens in one workflow, helping you create professional quality videos faster and with less effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on creating viral AI videos and growing